Hi, my name is Pete, and if you follow my blog, livelikepete.com, you might recognize this van. This is the Mercedes Sprinter 144 camper van I built out so me and my wife Anna could get out and do more of what we love, travel, explore, and go on epic adventures.
What's up guys, Pete here, and I wanted to show you our new window covers on our Sprinter van made by Xplr Outfitters. They have magnets that attach very easily and quickly. And the best feature of all is, see if I can do this with one hand. There's sewn in screens, bug screens. You can just flip that down. There's a button down there. Snap that down, and the window cover also acts as a bug screen at night. You get lots of airflow. You just crack the window and get lots of cool air at night. These are straps to store them. They roll up nice and tight. And moving to the windshield screen, it utilizes the factory shades to keep the top up, but also to keep it from sagging in. There's metal rods that go vertical on there, and it just keeps it sucked up to the window. And the best part about this, oh my god, compared to our last one, there was this huge gap up here. There's a little magnet in there to keep that nice and snug. Goes around the mirror nice and tight. And then the sides, he's got these extra little pieces that just fill the gap. So if you're like stealth camping or whatever, it fills the gap, and you have very limited light seen from the outside. So speaking of the outside, let's go to the outside. And this is one feature that I don't see on a lot of other screens, is the reflective material that he puts on there. A lot of other people that make the windshield screens or windshield covers, is they don't mention that you can't keep them up. Like if you keep that thing up in the heat, especially in Vegas, 120 degrees, that windshield's probably, oh man, probably 160, 200 degrees, baking in the sun. If that's not a reflective material, that's just gonna come apart. And anyone that lives in the desert knows things don't last in the sun. So that's really cool what he did. He put really high quality reflective material on there. And here is the driver's side. I got the bug screens set right now. And I've got 2 more window covers coming in the next couple weeks for the crew windows. Right now we just have our other ones. We're not going to talk about those. They work okay, but man, Xplr Outfitters stuff is so much better quality, and it fits so much tighter and just better. So I want to show you one more thing, is this little guy. So as you probably guessed, since I'm standing under the vent fan right now, that is a cover for your vent cover. And a lot of people are like, well, you got your fan on, how's that gonna work? Well, you can fold it back halfway, and if your head is towards the back of the van, when you wake up in the morning, you're not blinded by the sunlight coming through your vent fan, and vice versa. You could flip it the other way. But so you're probably wondering how this stays on there. You pull your bezel down, and he gives you these metal strips with adhesive tape. So you pull the bezel down and you stick the metal pieces on the inside of that, and then the magnets on the cover, open this up, magnets on the cover just stick to the bezel, and you never even know that there's metal in there. So super cool product. Highly recommend Xplr Outfitters for your window covers on your Sprinter van, and I believe he makes them for Transits and ProMasters and everything else. So huge shout out to Paul at Xplr Outfitters for making these really cool window covers. Appreciate it, man. These are awesome.
Stick around and subscribe to the channel, as I'll also be adding videos from our Sprinter van build. Although I didn't take much video while I was building it, I'll be showing you in detail how it's built and how it all works.